Hello everyone, I'm Iivari Viljanen from Marfle, and today I'm going to show you when I have finalized our motion system install in Finnpilot's pilot vessel. Firstly, you can see here under the driver's seat we installed the motion sensor. It will measure all the impacts and everything so that you know if your driver is safe or if there is too much G-forces and impacts in his seat. Now we're down in the hull. Here you can see the second motion sensor. It's mounted so that it measures all the heaves and impacts from the bow. And this vessel also has engine monitoring. So I have installed two contactless readers on these engines that reads the CAN bus and sends it through the internet to the servers. This vessel also has a long-range antenna on the roof and a mobile computer.